Hey guys, how's it going? This is Pure Lunar back here with another edition of the Real Wheel Deal. Today I have a ZE40, one of my favorite wheels in a limited edition color. This is the ZE40 Time Attack. So right away when you hear Time Attack, you think of World Time Attack, tight peaks, just really aggressive sports, one lap out or one trail out, fastest time they can get. What does that mean? That means that every gram counts, every millisecond counts, and every piece of strength counts when you're trying to build a race car. And the ZE40 Time Attack Edition is really made for that kind of performance. The ZE40 itself is, you might have seen the video, already a very strong wheel. Volk, they went to retool, they went back to the drawing board to make the strongest wheel they can make at that time. And still after a couple of years of production, it's still proven as a ZE40, great performance wheel, lots of strength, really loved by motorsports and enthusiasts alike. And if you've been around for a while in the wheel game or in the aftermarket industry, you'll know what a Time Attack wheel is. So Time Attack is mostly just a theme color. It has this really deep black finish, and it also has mostly a red lip. So oftentimes you'll see the whole lip is red on the edge. And when they do that, it emphasizes sportiness. I don't know where the motif started, where it was going black with the red on the edge, but they did. And this ZE40, it's a special color. So this came out in 2017. 2017, authorized race dealers had to put their orders in to get the Time Attack wheel. And with it, it was only very restricted race distributors that were able to bring it in. It's not available to everybody, so I'm really happy to actually have it here. It's just a limited color. So we're going to go over a couple details of it first. For ZE40, of course, you have your 10-spoke design. You see this one's pretty concave. This is an 18 by 11 plus 14. So that's why I have this face 4. It's got this really deep concavity. And let's go over the regular ZE40 properties really quickly. So 10-spoke design, but they call it like a 5 split spoke design. It's because every spoke is symmetric to the one beside it. Here we have it cut deep in. Then here we have like this hanging bridge and lots of weight cut out behind it. And they keep doing this. So it's flat, cutting behind, flat. Where it's cut behind, where they lose a lot of weight, and have this strength bridge here, they also add additional strength bridge on the inside here because they cut out the middle here to save the weight as well. So the ZE40 with the spoke design already really emphasizes high performance and good brake clearance. So then we come around the back here, and you also see there's tremendous weight savings here. So this is where the lugs mount right into here. So on the edge, there's not even like a round piece they keep around here, they just cut it all out for every gram of savings that they could do. And the last part, like any good Volk or Time Attack wheel, it's got to have these really thick flanges, keep the tire under, you're trying to attack hard, save those milliseconds. And also it has this tire knurling, keeping the tire and the rim fully on contact, getting you as much performance and as much grip as you can, and communicating with the driver for, a Pikes Peak challenge where you go off a little bit, you're going to be going off that hill, right? So that's your ZE40. So what makes this a Time Attack wheel besides the color? Well, it's mostly just the color. It's got this nice glossy black. The glossy black, it looks really good finish. It doesn't have any metallic flakes in it. To just emphasize that classic Time Attack wheel that I was talking about, that people who have been in the game for a while, they recognize. But one thing is they didn't just do red on the edge. For the ZE40 and recent Volk wheels, they use something called a REDOT method. So the REDOT method is the new tooling where they're cutting in designs and logos. So here it's got Volk Racing, Raise Engineering, made in Japan, and here it says forged. So all these are kind of cut into finish after it's been painted, so it's gloss black. But when they cut this edge in here, they also filled in with red. And after they filled with red, they had to re-clear the wheel, then they had to do the tooling on here. So this is a pretty labor-intensive wheel. That's why 2017 they had to take orders for it, and they restricted the amounts and made it limited because the amount of labor to get this finish was higher than your average ZE40. So you want to unpack the wheel. There's like an additional cover in here just to protect the finish of the wheel. And that's what I have here for the ZE Time Attack wheel. So the ZE Time Attack, I think the color theme, even though in the past has been used often, nowadays I notice there's not that many wheels in this color format. So definitely the one that I see them sell this on is the new Civic Type R. So you see, imagine new Civic Type R, lots of red accents, lots of black accents. So with this wheel under, looks like it's made just for the car. But of course, this the size is available. It goes on any car. It goes 17 to 9 inches or 18 from 8 to 11 inches wide. So that means 17 to 18 inch in diameter, that's only performance-based wheels, you know, not too many show cars, not a lot of super small sizes for older vehicles. This is a modern time attack wheel. So with modern time attack wheel, last what I do is put it on the scale. So I'm just gonna grab the rim, I'm gonna put the scale on here, I'm gonna find out how much this wheel weighs, okay? So right away when I pick it up, I can tell you it's very light, lighter than what I normally get around the shop. We got a hard surface here on my scale. So this wheel is just a reminder, 18 by 11, and it's plus 14. So it's a little bit wider than my scale, so I'll try and get it on there best I can to get you guys a weight. 20.4 pounds. So that's super light, 20.4 pounds for 18 by 11 wide, plus 14. So that's spectacular weight savings. The ZE40 time attack definitely lives up to its name. So if you guys have any questions, comment below. Hit subscribe if you want to see all the coolest wheels, newest wheels, and any limited edition wheels. And I'll try and bring you guys more of the real wheel deal, okay? Thanks.